Class 1 Subject Mathematics Chapter 11 Numbers. Children, here you can see balloons. Some balloons are in groups. Each group has 10 balloons. Some balloons are loose or left out balloons. Children, let us try to count them. First group of 10, second group of 10, and third group of 10. Now, let us count the left out balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Is this enough to make a group of 10? No. We cannot make any more group of 10. There are only 7 balloons, and to make a group of 10, we would need 10 balloons. Whenever we put any amount of objects into groups, it becomes easier to work with. So, we have 3 groups of 10s and 7 left out balloons means 7 ones. So we have 37 balloons. Children, what you can see here? Yes, here you can see some leaves. Some are in groups of 10s and some are loose leaves. Let us count them. First group of 10, second group of 10, third group of 10, and fourth group of 10. Let us now count the loose leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 loose leaves. Is this enough to make a group of 10? No, it is not possible. So, we have 4 group of 10s and 5 left out leaves means 5 ones. So we have 45 leaves. Write the number. Now let us count the objects and write the correct number. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. And the number is 34. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. And the number is 46. 1, 2. 2 tens and 0 ones, and the number is 20. Draw the bundles and ones of the number. Let us draw the objects as per the number given. The number is 43. 4 tens and 3 ones. The next number is 22. So 2 tens and 2 ones. Write the number in the given space. Now let us count the objects and write the correct ones and tens in the given columns. 5 tens and 1 1, and the number is 51. 6 tens and 4 ones, and the number is 64. 8 tens and 0 ones, and the number is 80. 9 tens and 1 1, and the number is 91.